Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we'll be seeing about DataPrep library. So first of all, where is DataPrep useful? So DataPrep is useful in the activity of EDA. EDA stands for Exploratory Data Analysis. It is one of the most fundamental steps into building any machine learning model, and DataPrep is a library which helps us entirely automate this process. Now there are various libraries entirely open source which automates our EDA process, like Pandas profiling, SweetWiz, AutoWiz, Detail. On some of the libraries like SweetWiz and Pandas profiling, I have already made a video which you can find in the description below. Okay, now out of all these libraries, DataPrep is the fastest one. That is the thing which separates DataPrep from others. DataPrep is the fastest one. It is at least 10 to 100 times faster because of its task based computing model. Then it has interactive visualization and it also has big data support. Okay, now apart from this, another thing which makes DataPrep very unique is its task centric API design. The other libraries are not task centric, but this is task centric for us. So you will be seeing all the tasks very granular levelly handed here. Okay, and definitely it has its auto insights and how to guide also. Okay, now let's go to the code and see how we can have an entire beautiful report of EDA prepared from DataPrep. So first I've done is what I've done is I've opened my Google Colab. Then I've done pip install DataPrep. I've installed my library. From dataprep.datasets, I have loaded Iris. Currently, in the datasets of DataPrep, they only have the Iris and Titanic. So for example purpose, I have taken here Iris. Regarding Titanic report, you can find it in the DataPrep PyPy official website. So here, for example, they have taken Titanic, and by clicking here, you can see the beautiful report of DataPrep on Titanic. Okay. Now, what I've done is I've imported create report. I have loaded my data set, and after that, I've created an object of the data frame. Now suppose if your data set is into a CSV, all you need to do is just create a data frame of that CSV by doing pd.read CSV, and then you need to pass the data frame to the create object for create report function. Okay, now what you can do is you can save your report. For saving your report, all you need to do is object.save, and it will get saved in the HTML format. Okay, then if you want to see that report looks something like this. So this is the report.html which I've generated by using DataPrep. In first, it has some overall statistics, some basic things like number of variables, number of rows, missing cells, duplicate rows, the total memory used, the variable type, numerical, categorical, as Iris has 4 numerical features of petal length, petal width, sepal length, sepal width, and 1 categorical of what type of flower it is. Then we also have a variable level distribution in the form of a beautiful histogram, and also the other properties like mean, max, median, etc. The unique counts and all. Similarly for each of the feature, for sepal length, for sepal width, petal length, petal width, and also for the categorical one. Okay, then we can see a beautiful interaction plot. So here I can see the dependencies of the features on each other with the help of a beautiful scatter plot. Then we have the correlation. For correlation, they have used Pearson, Spearman, and Kendall-Tau. So the features, and you also have a metric of how closely related the features are. Okay, then we have the missing value chart. We also have the dendrograms, heat map, and the spectrum. Okay, now all this thing is beautifully presented in the form of an HTML file. So in this way, your entire EDA process gets automated very beautifully, and you can have a very interactive and very appealing results of all your features. And once your EDA is automated, then we can move for the next step of feature selection or the other activities. Okay, so that's it with this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and stay tuned to AS Learning for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.